Sunday dreams to drag. Now man was born to go a-loving, I am feeling mighty lonesome, haven't slept a wink. I walk the floor from 9 to 4, and in between I drink black coffee. Love's a hand-me-down brew. Talking to the shadow, 1 o'clock till 4. And Lord, how slow the moments go when all I do is pour black coffee. I'm hanging out on Monday, my Sunday dreams to drag. Now man was born to go a-loving, but was a woman born to weep in coffee and cigarettes. I'm moaning all the morning, and I'm moaning all the night, and in between it's nicotine and not much hard to fight. Black coffee around. It's driving me crazy, thinking about my baby. Might maybe come around, maybe come around. Moaning all the morning, and I'm moaning all the night. In between it's nicotine and not much hard to find. Black coffee, feeling low as the ground. It's driving me crazy, thinking about my baby. Might maybe come around, might maybe come around. Thinking about my baby, might maybe come around. Thinking about my baby, might come around.
have some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.